Somali security forces have reportedly ended a 15-hour siege at a hotel in the capital, Mogadishu. That follows an attack on Saturday in which at least 25 people were killed and more than 30 were wounded. The dead reportedly include 3 children and one of them a baby, all shot in the head. The toll is expected to rise. Al-Qaeda-linked Al-Shabaab has claimed responsibility. The attacks come 2 weeks after more than 350 were killed in a massive truck bombing on a busy Mogadishu street in the country's worst terror attack to date.